Two heavyweights in marketing automation, one focused on simplicity, the other built for scale. Which one really delivers? On the left, MailerLite, simple, affordable, and effective email marketing for 2025. On the right, HubSpot Marketing Hub, the powerful, scalable, all-in-one suite trusted by enterprises. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, let's get a bird's eye view of what we're about to cover. Here's the mind map of categories. Price, always a hot topic. Then, features and flexibility, user experience, scalability and automation, email deliverability and reporting, and finally, support and resources. I'll break down each one and give you the real deal pros and quirks. Okay, starting with price. MailerLite is basically the king of affordable email marketing. You get a free plan for up to 500 subscribers, and upgrading only sets you back about $9 a month for 1,000 subs. Crazy value, honestly. Sure, more advanced automations live in the pricier tiers, but for most folks, it's totally budget-friendly. Now, HubSpot. Yeah, so basic tools are free, and the starter plan starts around $20 a month. Not bad, but hang on. For serious automation, the professional plan jumps all the way to almost $900 a month. That's not exactly SMB friendly, and the pricing shoots up as you scale. So if price is a priority, MailerLite is absolutely the winner here. Features and flexibility. So what's under the hood? With MailerLite, you get a slick drag-and-drop editor with over 130 templates, pop-ups, landing pages, and you can even sell digital products. They do have native integrations for things like transactional email, pretty neat, but automations aren't as fancy, and you don't get native CRM or sales tools. Now, HubSpot swings the other direction. It's kind of the Swiss Army knife of marketing. You've got built-in CRM, email, social, ads, workflow automations, CMS, insane personalization and reporting, plus a ton of integrations. But with great power comes, well, a steeper learning curve. If you love options, maybe too many at times, HubSpot nails it and takes the win for features. Let's talk user experience. MailerLite just feels easy. Setting up campaigns is almost fun. Super intuitive, modern designs, mobile-friendly. It's friendly for beginners or solo marketers, though it doesn't have deep customization for big teams. On the other side, HubSpot's platform can be tweaked for huge teams, and all your data is tied together. But honestly, new users just looking to send a newsletter could totally get lost. There's a little extra work to get fluent here. So, when it comes to simple, straightforward UX, MailerLite is the champ. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know MailerLite powers campaigns for over 1 million small businesses, while HubSpot flexes with Fortune 500 giants? Yep, SMB to nearly enterprise. Totally different playgrounds. Now, scalability and automation. MailerLite does pretty well for basic and even intermediate campaigns. Segmentation and triggers are straightforward, but if you need like advanced automations driven by website visits or tons of outside data, yeah, MailerLite isn't really built for that. That's where HubSpot's enterprise workflows come in big. Automated, cross-team, data-rich campaigns all tied to your CRM. They do it and then some. If you're on one of the fancy high-tier plans, of course. For serious scaling and automation, HubSpot is the clear winner. All right, email deliverability and reporting. MailerLite consistently scores great for getting your emails actually seen, like reliably good deliverability. Their reports are easy on the eyes, too, not too complicated. If you're after super detailed analytics, it's a little lighter. Meanwhile, HubSpot brings advanced reporting tools. Attribution, analytics, custom dashboards, you name it. But the setup can get a little overwhelming. Both are strong, so honest tie for email pro and analytics. Support and resources. With MailerLite, all paid users get 24/7 live chat, and their help team is usually super responsive. But if you want deep dive marketing courses or a sprawling community, HubSpot has the huge academy. Forums, resources, plus if you're on an enterprise plan, you get dedicated account support. Just keep in mind, premium support is only for premium budgets. So both get a nod. Call it a tie.
So how do they stack up when you visualize it? MailerLite peaks in price and ease of use, while HubSpot rockets in features and scalability. They come pretty close in deliverability and support, but you can seriously spot the strengths depending on your needs.
So here's the real talk. MailerLite, if you're a creator, coach, or small biz needing a wallet-friendly, user-friendly email solution, this is your go-to. But if you want to wrangle advanced marketing, sales, and data across your whole company, and you can invest, not just spend, HubSpot Marketing Hub is the tool that'll grow with your ambition. Was this comparison helpful? If you want more practical breakdowns like this, stick around and follow. Your marketing just got a lot easier.